Okay, welcome everybody. I am Greg Lowell. I'm your child's geometry teacher this year, and we're doing this virtual open house again for the second year, so this is a little strange doing it through a computer. But we've started the year out in geometry. The district has decided we need to try to hit some of the gaps in algebra because of COVID and things they've missed and so forth. So up to Christmas time, we're doing a lot of Algebra 1 things. After Christmas, we'll start some geometry things. A little bit about myself. This is my 37th year teaching, 35 of those here at Inglemoor High School. And I've taught geometry and Algebra 2 Trig, Advanced Algebra 2 Trig, Algebra 1, all those things during that time. I'm also the head boys basketball coach for those many years too as well. So enjoying getting back to teaching kids in person. I'll kind of share the screen and go through a few things with you. So here is my name and contact information, phone number. If you need to get a hold of me for anything, just glowell@nsd.org. And my general philosophy of things, I like this quote: success is a peace of mind, which is the direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing you did your best to become the best you're capable of becoming. That's a quote from John Wooden. He was a very successful basketball coach. He was also a high school English teacher starting out, and he wanted a definition of success based on for his English students in high school. And so the biggest thing to me that I want to see, especially kids in geometry, is working hard, improving as the year goes, asking good questions, and just do they give their best effort? That's the main thing that we want to see. Instead of comparing things to everybody else, are they working as hard as they can work? You want them to be on time, be disciplined, work hard, ask questions. That's a big one. Encourage them to ask questions if there's things they don't understand. Work on improving and also caring about others. So there's other things than just geometry that I want them to get out of the class. Some of the coverage things when we get, the first part of the year is going to be Algebra 1 review, equations, systems, real numbers, that sort of thing. After Christmas, we're going to kind of pick and choose and go through some of these different things. These probably could bring back some memories: parallel lines, right triangle trig, triangle, working with triangles, proving triangles congruent, those different sorts of things. So some of the things that we might cover once we get past Christmas, so they get the geometry piece out of the year as well. Let me stop this share and come back to another area. So on Schoology, if you go into, this is second period geometry, whatever period geometry class you have, you'll see some things there. Here is the Zoom link. Hopefully we won't be back to doing class online, but that would be where the link would be. Here is where the kids can access the online book. Right now, we don't give them a hardback textbook in Algebra 1. When we get to geometry after Christmas, they'll get a hardback geometry book if they need it, or they can use the online geometry book. Right now, it's Algebra 1. So you would get there, they're using Algebra 1 book online. And if you would, let's see, that's Algebra 2. I don't want that one. Okay, so you're going to type in IHS Algebra 1. I think the password's Inglemoor, and that gets them the online algebra book, if you can open the book up. So they need to have access. That's why they need to have a computer every day to class so they can open it up and work in class on their work, so they don't have as much to do at home, and I can also help them out. You go to menu, table of contents is where you can get to access the different pages. Okay, so their online textbook is there in Schoology. Under the chapter 1, for example, is where they'll find assignments are posted. Once we get into graded assignments, that's where they'll be. They take a picture, send their homework in on Schoology. I transferred over to Synergy, so Student View. In Student View, that's where you'll see their final grade, not in Schoology, but in Student View.